Okay, we're down here in Streatham in southwest London. This is our project all completed now. Scaffolding's finally came down, and what an incredible transformation. This looks absolutely stunning. Probably, I would say now, my favourite job we've ever done. Everything on this project just looks so good. Let's give you a walk through and explain everything we did. So all of the brickwork on the front of the property has been brick cleaned, all back to its natural colour. Once all the brickwork was cleaned, cut out and replaced all the damaged bricks. All new handmade bricks have all been put in all of the way through. All the chamfered bricks up to there, all of the moulded bricks above the window arches have all been replaced. All of the work above the front door has all been rebuilt and replaced. All that pediment up there has all been restored and replaced. All of the brickwork's been repointed in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. Let's give you a little close-up of how it all looks. So you can see the penny roll there, all the way through there. New plinth on the base of the property, went all the way round to here, so that's all finished right around to that corner. See how nice and sharp all of the edges look on there. Nice new period air vents on the ground floor area there. Show you the penny roll on the red brick work as well. So the penny roll looks fantastic on all of the soft red bricks all of the way up through there. So this was a real big job. 2 months it took us to do this. 6 guys on here. All of the window sills all decorated, all of the woodwork all decorated. We replaced 4 window sills on here, so had nice new cast window sills made to match the original profile. Someone just cut the old sills out and put a square sill in, so they've all been restored and replaced as well there. And I pretty much think that's everything we've done on here. So like I say, lads have done a really good job on this. Looks absolutely amazing. Had neighbours said they've had so many compliments from all the other neighbours on the street, and this is why we are #1 in the industry, because we produce work time and time again like this. So if you'd like a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.